our school was going to get an award.
Yeah, we didn't really know what the reward was. We thought it was like a main school award.
I personally thought y'all were going to put a medal over someone. I
It
felt
felt
like
really
joy
good.
and my heart felt so warm.
But I feel like she deserved it, so it was good.
And why do you think that she deserved it?
Because she always comes in with a smile on her face. It doesn't matter what type of kids, if they're not hers and they're just coming for the day, she just likes them no matter what. And she treats them like she treats them equally. There's no
Yeah, and she treats them like her own. She always, when she's teaching, she always explains it the best for us to understand.
She always counts on us, and she's never had a negative attitude ever. She always kind of like her. She always comes in with a smile, and whenever she teaches, she doesn't just make it the normal way.
Because they work so hard, and they always make sure that the kids do best. I think it's important to honor our teachers because they always make us try our best and help us in every way that they can.
I think teachers should be honored because they like their job and they don't care if they get honored, and they don't get a reward every day, so I feel like it's really special if they get one and know that they're important. I think our teachers should be honored because they come in and take their time off of their life. They could be doing anything, but they decided out of all the things they could do, they decided to teach us and make us know all this knowledge that we now know, and we can get better.
Our teacher is the 3000th Milken Educator.